Forget magnesium supplements. Take these two vitamins at night to rebuild muscle overnight. Have you ever noticed that even though you exercise, eat plenty of protein, and try different supplements, your muscles still don't seem to grow the way you expect? It can be particularly frustrating, especially as we age. Many seniors hear that magnesium is the answer, but here's the truth. Magnesium by itself isn't enough to stop the muscle loss that comes with age. After 60, our bodies face something called sarcopenia, which makes it harder to keep and build muscle. That's why so many people feel weaker, even though they're trying their best. But here's the good news. Two vitamins can work with your body's natural rhythm at night, the very time when your muscles recover and rebuild. When you take these vitamins before bed, you give your body the exact tools it needs to fight muscle loss, repair damage, and grow stronger while you sleep. And this isn't just about looking fit, it's about staying independent, moving with ease, and living a healthier, longer life. In this video, I'll share these two vitamins with you, and I'll also reveal 3 supplements you should never take before bed if you want your muscles to recover properly. If you want to stay strong and prevent muscle wasting, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment below so we can share knowledge. Now let's begin with the first one, often called the golden key for muscle health at night. Vitamin D3. 1. Vitamin D3. Vitamin D3 is often called the sunshine vitamin, but for seniors, it's much more than that. Think of it as the golden key that unlocks your body's ability to repair and rebuild muscle while you sleep. When you're younger, your body produces plenty of vitamin D just by spending time outdoors, but after the age of 60, that natural production slows down, and most people simply don't get enough from food alone. That's one of the hidden reasons why muscle loss in seniors happens so quickly. Scientists call this process sarcopenia, and without the right nutrients, it becomes harder to fight back against it. Vitamin D3 works deep inside your body by supporting muscle protein synthesis, which is the way your body turns the food you eat into new muscle fibers. Without enough D3, your muscles can't use protein effectively, and no matter how much chicken or fish you eat, the results just aren't the same. This is why many seniors feel weaker year after year, even though they try to stay active. But here's where the magic happens. At night, while you're asleep, your body enters a natural recovery mode. It repairs damaged tissues, restores energy, and rebuilds muscles. Taking vitamin D3 before bed gives your body what it needs right at the perfect time. Studies have shown that seniors with higher vitamin D levels have better muscle strength, stronger bones, and even a lower risk of falls. It doesn't just help with muscle recovery for seniors. It also supports balance, mobility, and overall senior wellness. For someone who wants to build muscle fast after 60, vitamin D3 is a game changer. And if you've ever struggled with sore legs, weak grip, or trouble getting up from a chair, chances are your body is begging for more D3. Another important thing about vitamin D3 is how it connects with other nutrients. For example, it works closely with calcium to keep your bones strong, and with magnesium for nerve and muscle function. But relying only on magnesium is a mistake many people make. You might have been told that magnesium alone is enough to rebuild muscle overnight, but that's simply not true. Without vitamin D3, magnesium can't do its job fully, and your muscles stay in a weak state. That's why so many health tips for seniors now include D3 as a foundation for healthy aging. It's part of prevention, part of muscle recovery, and part of building the strength you need to stay independent. So if you want to prevent muscle wasting, fight back against anabolic resistance, and enjoy healthier living after 60, think of vitamin D3 as your nightly partner. It's simple, safe, and powerful. Now, here's something even more exciting. When you combine vitamin D3 with the right mineral, its power multiplies. That mineral is zinc. Together, vitamin D3 and zinc can work like a team to rebuild muscle, improve senior nutrition, and give your body the tools it needs to recover stronger every single night. Let's talk about the strength of this combination next. 2. Effects of combining vitamin D3 and zinc. Now let's take this one step further. Vitamin D3 on its own is already powerful for muscle recovery at night, but when you add zinc into the picture, the benefits multiply. Zinc is one of those minerals that doesn't get enough credit. For seniors, especially those over 60, zinc plays a vital role in preventing muscle wasting, supporting testosterone levels, and helping the body repair tissues while you sleep. Think of vitamin D3 as the spark that turns on the light, and zinc as the steady energy source that keeps it burning. Together, they support muscle protein synthesis, which is exactly what your body needs to fight sarcopenia and recover strength overnight. Many doctors and senior health experts now recognize that this combination helps the body fight anabolic resistance, which is a major reason older adults struggle to rebuild muscle, even with good nutrition. It's not just about taking supplements, it's about giving your body the exact tools it needs at the right time of day. And nighttime is perfect, because that's when the body is in repair mode. By combining vitamin D3 and zinc, you are working with your body's natural rhythm, which makes it easier to build muscle fast, even after 60. It also ties directly to senior wellness and healthy aging, because stronger muscles mean better balance, more energy, and less risk of falls. That's why this health tip is so valuable. It's simple, safe, and effective for senior healthcare. But here's the catch. Just as there are nutrients that help your body heal overnight, there are also vitamins and supplements that you should avoid before bed. Some of them may actually disrupt sleep or interfere with the repair process your muscles desperately need. So while vitamin D3 and zinc can be your allies in muscle recovery, seniors truly need certain nighttime supplements that may end up working against you. One of the most common mistakes is taking B-complex at night. Even though B vitamins are great for senior nutrition, energy, and brain health, they are too stimulating before bed. Instead of helping your muscles relax and rebuild, they can make your brain more alert, which leads to restless sleep. And as you know, without deep, restorative sleep, the body can't fight muscle loss in seniors effectively. So in the next section, let's uncover the 3 types of vitamins and supplements you should never take before bedtime, starting with B-complex. 3 vitamins and supplements to avoid at night. 1. B-complex. When we talk about the right vitamins to take at night, it's just as important to understand which ones you should actually avoid. Many seniors are surprised to learn that one of the most common supplements, B-complex, can work against your body's natural nighttime rhythm. Now, let's be clear. B vitamins are incredibly valuable. They support energy, help prevent vitamin B12 deficiency, improve brain and nerve health, and even play a role in mood balance. For anyone focused on senior healthcare or trying to build muscle fast after 60, they can absolutely be part of a healthy life and good senior nutrition. But here's the catch. The timing matters more than most people realize. B vitamins are powerful stimulants. Think of them like a natural spark plug inside your body. They turn food into energy, rev up your metabolism, and give your nervous system a push to stay alert. That's exactly why so many people take them in the morning, to feel sharper, more focused, and ready to handle the day. But if you take a B-complex supplement at night, it's almost like drinking a cup of strong coffee before bed. Instead of winding down, your body stays on high alert. Your brain races, your heart rate may feel a little higher, and instead of drifting into restful sleep, you might toss and turn. For seniors, this is especially important. Quality sleep is not just about feeling rested. It's the foundation of healthy aging. At night, your body repairs tissue, balances hormones, and drives muscle protein synthesis, the very process that helps prevent sarcopenia, the age muscle loss so many seniors struggle with. If your sleep is broken or shallow because of the wrong supplement timing, your muscles lose their best chance to rebuild. Over time, this can make muscle recovery slower, strength training less effective, and energy levels lower. It's like working hard all day to stay active, but then erasing some of that progress by not giving your body the rest it needs. This is why senior health tips often remind us that prevention is better than cure. Something as simple as moving your B-complex to the morning can transform the way you sleep and recover. Imagine waking up with more energy, less soreness, and a clearer mind, not because you added a new supplement, but because you adjusted when you take it. That's what healthy habits and elderly wisdom are all about. Instead of fighting your body's rhythm, you work with it. So here's the takeaway. Keep B-complex as part of your senior wellness routine, but make it a morning ritual, not a bedtime one. Use that energy during the day to stay active, eat nutrient-dense foods, and enjoy the benefits of healthy living. At night, let your system rest, repair, and focus on muscle recovery. It's one of those health tips that sounds small, but can completely change the way your body feels as you age. Now that we've cleared up why B complex belongs in the morning, let's move on to another supplement almost every senior has in their cabinet, vitamin C. Known as one of the world's most famous anti-aging foods and a protector of immune health, vitamin C plays an important role in elderly health and prevention. But is bedtime the best time to take it? Or could the timing once again affect the way your body rests and recovers? Let's take a closer look at vitamin C next. 2. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is one of the most well-known vitamins in the world. Almost every senior I've spoken to has a bottle of vitamin C somewhere at home, because for decades we've all been told it helps fight colds, boost the immune system, and keep us feeling strong. And all of that is true. Vitamin C is important for elderly health, prevention of sickness, and even for building collagen, which supports healthy skin, joints, and blood vessels. But here's something most people don't think about. The timing of when you take vitamin C can make a big difference, especially for senior healthy living and for those who want to rebuild muscle after 60. Vitamin C is water-soluble, which means your body doesn't hold on to it. Once you take it, it gets used quickly. Because of that, many people think, I'll just take it anytime, even at night. But here's the problem. Vitamin C can actually give your body a small energy lift. It plays a role in how your cells make energy, and that boost is better suited for the daytime. For seniors dealing with sarcopenia treatment or trying to prevent muscle wasting, the real repair work happens during deep sleep. If vitamin C is taken at night, some people notice restlessness, stomach upset, or lighter sleep. And when your sleep suffers, your muscle protein synthesis, the process that rebuilds and repairs muscle fibers, doesn't happen as effectively. That's one reason why some seniors who take vitamin C late at night wake up tired instead of refreshed. Another thing to think about is how vitamin C interacts with other supplements. For example, many seniors take magnesium before bed because it helps calm the body and supports relaxation. But mixing vitamin C with magnesium can sometimes irritate the stomach, leaving you uncomfortable right when you need to be winding down. Even though both nutrients are healthy, the timing matters. The same goes for pairing vitamin C with anti-aging foods or organ meat benefits like liver. These nutrient-dense foods absorb better when vitamin C is taken earlier in the day with meals, not at night. So what's the best routine? For senior nutrition, a great health tip is to take your vitamin C in the morning or at lunch. When you do, it works with your food to improve iron absorption, especially from healthy food choices like leafy greens or grass-fed liver. It gives you energy to enjoy the day, supports your immune system when you're most active, and leaves your evening open for recovery. That way, by the time night comes, your body is calm, ready for deep rest, and free to focus on the muscle recovery seniors truly need. Healthy habits like this are small but powerful steps toward healthy aging and senior wellness. So while vitamin C is an incredible tool for prevention, elderly wisdom tells us it's not about just what we take, but also when we take it. Use vitamin C as your daytime partner for energy and protection, and let your night routine stay focused on rest and repair. And now, speaking of things that often sneak into the evening and disrupt recovery, let's talk about caffeine. Many seniors still enjoy a cup of coffee, tea, or even chocolate later in the day without realizing just how strongly caffeine can block sleep and slow down muscle building after 60. 3. Caffeine. Caffeine is something almost every senior knows well. For many of us, a hot cup of coffee in the morning feels like an old friend. It wakes us up, gets us moving, and even helps us feel alert. A little caffeine early in the day isn't bad at all. But what many people over 60 don't realize is that having caffeine later in the day can quietly harm your sleep, slow muscle recovery, and block the natural repair your body works on overnight. And this matters because after 60, when muscle loss becomes more common and sarcopenia treatment is so important, every night of deep rest makes the difference between weakness and strength. Caffeine stays in the body longer than most of us think. Even if you drink coffee at 3 p.m., part of it is still active by bedtime. For seniors who already have lighter sleep, that leftover caffeine can prevent them from entering the deep stages where muscle protein synthesis and healing happen. That means the body has less chance to repair and rebuild the fibers that keep you strong. And it's not just coffee. Black tea, green tea, chocolate, and even some pain medications contain caffeine. Many elderly people don't connect that evening chocolate square or harmless tea with their restless nights. But these small things can reduce the muscle recovery seniors truly need. This is why prevention and timing are key to healthy aging. Instead of cutting caffeine completely, just shift it earlier. Use your morning coffee to lift energy, maybe alongside anti-aging foods or nutrient-dense foods that support senior nutrition. But after lunch, try choosing water, herbal teas, or warm milk instead. These swaps may seem small, but they create healthy habits that support senior healthcare, elderly wellness, and healthy living. Elderly wisdom has always said rest is medicine, and modern research agrees. Deep sleep is when the body prevents muscle wasting, overcomes anabolic resistance, and lays the foundation for building muscle after 60. So if you feel like your muscles aren't recovering even though you eat right, don't overlook your caffeine habits. A simple adjustment, enjoying caffeine early and going caffeine-free after lunch, can help restore restful nights, stronger mornings, and faster recovery. This is one of the easiest health tips for seniors, yet it can completely change how you feel. Now that we've looked at the 3 things to avoid before bed, vitamin C, magnesium, and caffeine, you can see how powerful timing is. But the real secret is not just about what you avoid, it's about what you add at the right time. And in the next part, we'll talk about the 2 vitamins you should take before bed if you want to rebuild muscle overnight. And finally, support senior healthy living the way your body deserves. So here's the big takeaway. When it comes to rebuilding strength after 60, timing matters just as much as what you take. If you truly want your body to repair and recharge overnight, keep it simple. Take vitamin D3 and zinc before bed. These 2 work together to support bone health, improve muscle recovery, and help fight the muscle loss seniors face as the years go by. At the same time, do yourself a favor and avoid B-complex, vitamin C, and caffeine in the evening. They may all be healthy in their own ways, but taken at the wrong time, they can steal away the deep rest your body needs. This really is the line between waking up stronger or weaker each morning. It's the difference between giving your muscles a fighting chance to recover or letting sarcopenia slowly win, even if you eat well and stay active. Remember, staying senior healthy isn't about doing everything perfectly. It's about making smart, steady choices that protect your energy, your independence, and your confidence. And small changes, like moving your caffeine to the morning or saving B vitamins for earlier in the day, can completely change how your nights feel and how your mornings begin. You don't need fancy supplements or complicated routines. You need wisdom, timing, and the right support to keep living a healthy life. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more senior health tips. It means a lot and it helps us keep sharing information that supports senior wellness, healthy aging, and strong living after 60. And don't stop here. If you want to learn more about muscle building after 60, preventing muscle wasting, or the surprising foods that help you build muscle fast, check out the other videos waiting for you on this channel. Your health is worth it, your strength is worth it, and you are worth it. Together, let's make every night a step toward a healthier tomorrow.